What brick were we doing? I forgot.
That one. Can we say Winter Wonderland?
I was just saying we're gonna be.
That's one of our pallets getting moved for our bricks. There they go. This is another pallet of our bricks that are getting ready, 672.
Give me another brick. This is damage.
See ya. He's up there swapping out bricks. All right, let's grab one. There goes our bricks. No, I don't think so, because if 672 times 3, 618, 612, 18. And then 72 is 444. And then plus 72 is 2 something. That's 2,000. Like, that's not, yeah, we're short a couple of them. Yeah, for sure. Okay, there we go. He's putting his thing, he's doing his thing.
Yeah, because there's supposed to be 4 pallets.
No, it's supposed to be 3.
No, 3 is 650.
It's 672 on a pallet.
672?
Yeah, that's why I was, yeah.
I feel like they really wrap this really good. Cut this. And hopefully we will have 2 more. So we've already done 1. Boom. Shakalaka. See. Zoom in there so you guys can see. There you go. I think we're at 1, 2, 3, 7 high? Yeah, 7 high.